Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Javi's Rockin Kitchen and we're gonna learn how to make this beautiful shrimp tacos with mango pico de gallo on top. Stay tuned. Our ingredients, we're gonna use garlic powder, slap your mama. We're gonna need garlic, real garlic. I know, yes, twice garlic, loving it. Cilantro, fresh chopped. We're gonna need at the very end a piece of avocado. We're gonna need also a couple of sliced radishes. We're gonna need some lime, our shrimp of course, and a couple of those peppers. We call this one sweet pepper and then we call this one shkatik or Anaheim, you can find it. Onion, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Our shrimp to marinate right here. Okay, we're gonna use our garlic powder, not very much, right there. Go like that. This one has salt already, so let's be careful with this one. That's why next I'm going to use very little salt, okay? Just like that, and black pepper. And we're also gonna need a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. There you go. That will marinate for, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes. And we're gonna use also half of this beautiful lime. Cut it in half, and easy. Just like that. And after 10 minutes marinating our beautiful shrimp, we're gonna stir a little bit. I'm gonna chop the peppers. Remember, sweet pepper and Anaheim, or we know it in the peninsula of Yucatan as ishkatik. Okay, we're gonna use maybe 3/4 of that one. And we're gonna need all the chicks on the sweet one. This is going to be in with the meat, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and chop it. We're gonna also chop a little bit of that onion. We're gonna use half onion, all right? It's going to be with the shrimp while we're cooking it. So we're just gonna go basic, just like this, very basic, okay? We're not gonna chop like we previously made this wonderful pico de gallo, tropical pico de gallo with mango, just to have this little chunks like that, okay? And we're gonna add that to our shrimp while it's cooking. I'm preheating my skillet. We're gonna use one skillet, just like this, not huge, not small, medium. This is the small one. This is the medium. I'm gonna go ahead and put the olive oil, not very much, just like this, watch. All right, that is it. And we're gonna start with the onion, okay? At this moment, I'm gonna chop very, very roughly or just smash this garlic. See, it's big chunks. We're gonna saute a little bit of our onion and garlic. As you can see, the onion and the garlic start being caramelized. I've been sauteing a little bit like this. What is the technique? Is you put everything you can. Let's show you with the help of a spatula. You put it like that, all right, and then this is the move that you need to do, and just go even. Now that we have this beautiful golden color, it's starting to get nice. We're gonna add our peppers, and we're gonna stir. All right, we're gonna give it a couple of minutes also, and we're gonna add a little bit of cilantro. Add in the middle our shrimp. Okay. All right. We have everything we need in here already, but some people like me, I would like to add a little bit more black pepper, you know? So go ahead. It's gonna be spicy anyway with all the peppers. And previously I made a beautiful tropical mango pico de gallo that we're gonna add to this on top. Instead of a taco salsa, we're gonna do a taco with a pico de gallo. Very basic shrimp tacos, but I promise you guys with a mango pico de gallo, I guarantee it's going to be so tasty. You're gonna love it. Okay, my friends, that shrimp has been cooking for a little while. We're gonna stir a little bit more. And in the middle, we're gonna have a little dash, a little splash of some special ingredients. Tequila, there it goes. Not very much, just one splash. One splash is enough. It will add you a lot of the flavor, you'll see. And let it cook. We don't need the boost, we need the flavor out of the tequila. And with the garlic and the onion and the peppers, it's going to be fantastic. It's gonna get all the juices and oh my God, I cannot wait. I cannot describe the smell. So good. Before we finish, we're gonna add freshness of cilantro. All right, so again, stir and fire off. And that's about it, my friends. We have a beautiful shrimp ready, and we're gonna go ahead and warm up tortillas. We have on the top of my stove, we're gonna need this little grill, and we're gonna put them on the top of these very easy way. We're gonna warm it up like that. A really good taco, it needs avocado. Okay, we're gonna cut a couple of slices out of that, and one and a half, just like that, to hold better the taco. Now we're gonna go ahead and fill up and create our tacos. A little bit of radishes, something like that. We're gonna add another piece of avocado right here. This wonderful mango pico de gallo. We're gonna use some of that as a salsa. It has jalapeno salsa. You check it out on the recipe, the same YouTube channel, Javi's Rockin Kitchen. We just put something like that on top. Let me show you. Yummy. All right, I'm gonna get to taste this thing.